Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Aditya and I post technical videos to help you navigate the world of software testing and automation. In today's video, we are diving into a comparison between two powerful tools, Selenium and Playwright. You've probably heard of Selenium, the veteran in the automation testing world, but Playwright is the new kid on the block that's been making waves. We'll explore their key features, strengths, and differences to help you decide which tool is best fit for your project. So, whether you are a seasoned tester or just getting started, stick around to find out which tool might be your next go to for automation. Let's get started. So, our outline for today's talk is quite straightforward. It's first go through pros and cons of Playwright over Selenium and then do the same for Selenium over Playwright. So let's walk through the pros of Playwright over Selenium. Playwright comes with a modern web support features which are much better than Selenium. Playwright has a faster execution. So if you are running test cases on Selenium, Playwright will outperform them and take less time. Then we have automatic waiting time periods in Playwright, which is not there in Selenium. In Selenium, you are explicitly saying, wait for 10 seconds, wait for 100 seconds before doing this action, but or wait for X seconds or something like that you are doing. But over here, what you can do is you can just say, wait for this thing. When this thing happens, proceed. So it's a dynamic thing. So wait until the next page appears and then do this. So that's a great support there. And then since Playwright is new, it has a better and stronger cross-browser support. Now, for cons of Playwright, it's like it has a smaller community. So if you are integrating the automation test framework into your project and you're facing difficulties there, it means that there is a chance that you will not find solutions online and it's just difficult to find resources out there. So it's a big problem from a dev point of view for me, and that's a big red flag for me if I were to make that decision. Then we have limited real device support. So it tries to mimic the environment of all devices accurately, but it may not be very accurate and not a big concern for me, but that's there. And then we have asynchronous programming. So Playwright requires programming in an asynchronous style, which may be unfamiliar to some users and may require additional training and resources to become proficient. And that is true for Selenium in some sense, as Selenium also does require some sort of training there. But yes, Playwright is quite different and will require a different set of training. So that was Playwright's turn. Now it's time for Selenium. So let's start with pros of Selenium over Playwright. So Selenium has a wide browser support. So that's a great thing that it has going. It has an established community, which is a big deal for me as a dev point of view, because when I'm facing some troubles, it's mostly that it's not the first time I'm facing it. There's a huge probability that it's already been faced by people in the community and it's been resolved and the solution is out there. So I just have to grab that from the internet. So that's a big thing for me when I'm supposed to choose a framework to integrate with my project. Then it has a real device support feature as well, which is quite stable and good. And then the language support is amazing. It works in Python, it works in C Sharp for your .NET projects. It works in JavaScript, Ruby, and a lot of languages. So let's talk about the cons of Selenium. There are not many, and Selenium over time has become very stable and popular. But recently, it has developed a reputation of being slower than Playwright, which can impact test run times and productivity. Playwright is known for its faster execution speed and better performance. Even Selenium is more heavy on the on the machine it's running on, it's more process intensive. Playwright is much lighter in that sense. So there you have it. That's the con of Selenium. Now, in conclusion, both Selenium and Playwright have their strengths and weaknesses. Playwright is better suited for modern web applications and offers faster execution time. But remember, the community base is weak, it's still very new. While Selenium provides wider browser support and has an established community, but remember, it's process intensive and slow. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and requirement. But I hope this video helped. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technical insights and tutorials. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear which tool you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.